In today's video, I will walk you through how to change font size and wrap text in Replit. If you want to make your code easier to read or avoid scrolling sideways to view long lines, you can adjust both the font size and text wrapping directly from your active workspace. Both settings are available in the same place and can be changed at any time. To begin with changing the font size, look at the lower left side of your workspace and click the Settings gear icon. Once the Settings panel opens, scroll down until you find the Font Size section. In that section, click the Font Size drop-down menu. You'll see several size options available, including tiny, small, medium, large, and huge. Choose the size that works best for you by selecting it from the list. As soon as you make your selection, the editor automatically updates the size of your code text. There's no need to refresh the page or restart your workspace. The new font size is applied immediately, so you can continue working without interruption. If the text still doesn't feel quite right, you can return to the same font size setting at any time and choose a different option until you're comfortable with how your code appears. Next, let's turn on text wrapping. Long lines of code or continuous text can extend far beyond the right edge of the editor. When that happens, you have to scroll horizontally to read everything on a single line. You can change this behavior by enabling text wrapping. Open the same Settings gear icon in the lower left sidebar if the Settings panel isn't already open. Scroll through the available settings until you locate the wrapping or line wrap option. Click or toggle this setting and change it from none or off to soft wrap or on, depending on the option shown in your workspace. The change takes effect immediately. After enabling text wrapping, long code lines and continuous text strings automatically wrap onto the next line when they reach the edge of the editor window. Instead of extending off the screen, they remain visible within the width of your editor, making everything easier to view without horizontal scrolling. If you ever want to switch back, return to the same wrapping or line wrap setting and change it back to none or off. Both of these settings can be adjusted whenever you need them. If you want larger or smaller text, simply return to the font size drop-down and select a different option. If you prefer long lines to stay on a single row instead of wrapping, return to the wrapping setting and change it back. That's all there is to changing the font size and enabling text wrapping in Replit. By using the Settings panel, you can quickly adjust both options, and every change is applied immediately inside your active workspace editor without refreshing the page. Thank you for watching.